Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I am Clark.
Hello, everyone. It's great to be here. Today, we have a very special, very modern episode for our listeners.
Oh yes, I can feel it. Technology is everywhere. What exactly are we focusing on today?
Today, we are going to learn how to talk about technology at home and smart devices.
Smart devices. Wow, that is a huge topic. Everyone has a smartphone, a smart TV, or a smart speaker these days.
Exactly. But do you know how to talk about them like a native English speaker? Today, we are going to learn the exact sentences you need for real life. Sentences for daily routines, sentences for when your devices are amazing, and sentences for when your technology completely stops working.
I love real-life English. No boring grammar rules from an old textbook, just real practical phrases that people actually use every single day.
That's our promise. But wait, before we share these sentences with our amazing listeners, oh yes, everyone, if you love learning English with us, please take 1 second to click that subscribe button and hit the like icon. It really helps our channel grow. Yes, and don't forget to share this audio episode with a friend, a family member, or a coworker who is also practicing their English. Okay, now our cups of coffee are ready, our microphones are ready, and our listeners are ready. Let's dive into our first section.
Let's start by identifying the biggest problem English learners face with this topic. Imagine your wireless internet suddenly stops working, or your Bluetooth speaker goes completely silent. What is the most common mistake students make?
Oh, I hear it all the time. Students translate word for word from their native language. They will look at me and say, "My internet is dead today," or "My television is completely broken."
Exactly, and that is a major language barrier. In English, if you tell someone an electronic device is broken, it usually implies physical, structural damage, like you dropped it on the floor, stepped on it, and shattered the glass screen.
Right. So if it's just a temporary connection issue or a software problem, saying it is broken sounds a bit strange and dramatic to a native speaker.
Precisely. To sound natural, we use specific vocabulary for digital errors. Let's go through the most important problem phrases step by step. Listen and learn. Sentence 1. The Wi-Fi keeps dropping.
The Wi-Fi keeps dropping. We use the verb dropping when the wireless internet connection is unstable. It means the signal goes away, comes back, and goes away again. It is incredibly frustrating.
Sentence 2. My phone won't pair with the speaker.
My phone won't pair with the speaker. This is a very important technical verb, to pair. When you connect two wireless devices together using Bluetooth, you do not join them or connect them, you pair them.
The application is lagging. Lagging means the software is running incredibly slowly. You press a button and nothing happens for 5 seconds. It is delayed. My smart TV screen is glitching.
My smart TV screen is glitching. A glitch is a small, sudden, temporary software mistake or technical error that fixes itself after a short time.
Wow, those are excellent sentences. I use the word glitching all the time when an app behaves badly.
Now that we know how to describe the problems, let's look at the solution. How do we describe smart technology when it's working beautifully and making our lives simple?
We use modern phrasal verbs and casual idioms that make us sound relaxed and fluent. Let's learn the solution phrases. Sentence 5. I decided to go all in on home automation.
I decided to go all in on home automation. The phrase "to go all in" comes from card games, but in daily life, it means to completely commit your time, energy, or money to something. You aren't doing it halfway, you are doing it 100%. Sentence 6. This voice assistant is a total game changer.
This voice assistant is a total game changer. This is one of my favorite English idioms. A game changer is a new invention, product, or idea that completely alters and improves the way you live your life. Don't worry, the setup is completely plug and play. Don't worry, the setup is completely plug and play. We use the adjective plug and play to describe any gadget that is incredibly user-friendly.
You don't need to hire an engineer. You just plug it into the electrical outlet, open an app, and it works instantly. If it acts up, you just need to reboot it.
If it acts up, you just need to reboot it. Here we have two great phrases. To act up means to behave badly or misbehave, and to reboot simply means to restart the machine to clear out any small memory errors.
Brilliant! Reboot it is the #1 rule of all modern technology. Turn it off and turn it back on.
Now let's put all of these wonderful problem and solution sentences into a real-world scenario. We are going to do a long, natural conversation.
Listen carefully to our speed, our tone, and notice how effortlessly we weave these new words into our conversation. In this scene, Speaker 2 is visiting Speaker 1's apartment. Speaker 2 plays the guest who prefers a simple, traditional, low-tech lifestyle, and Speaker 1 plays the tech-obsessed host. Let's listen. Hey, come on in, make yourself comfortable on the sofa. Watch this. Hey Google, turn the living room lights to warm amber and play some smooth jazz.
Oh, wow, look at you, living in the year 2050. Since when did your apartment get a brain of its own?
Just this past weekend, actually, I finally decided to go all in on a smart home setup. I automated all the lighting, upgraded to a smart thermostat, and I even have a robot vacuum running around somewhere.
Honestly, the lighting changes look beautiful, but doesn't it kind of creep you out? Like having a speaker constantly listening to every single word you say inside your own house?
I totally understand why people feel skeptical at first, but honestly, for me, the incredible convenience completely outweighs the creep factor. It has been a total game changer for my daily routine. Last night, it was absolutely freezing outside, and I was able to shut off all the living room lights and lower the temperature right from under my warm blanket using just my voice. No stepping out onto a cold floor.
Okay, I'll give you that one. Slipping out of a warm bed just to flip a manual light switch is the absolute worst. But what about that robot vacuum? Does it actually clean well, or does it just spin in circles and get stuck under the couch?
Oh, it definitely gets stuck if I leave my phone charging cables or socks lying around on the floor. You absolutely have to robot-proof the room before you turn it on. But once it maps out the exact layout of the apartment, it's a total lifesaver. It saves me at least 2 hours of manual sweeping every single week.
Maybe I'm just old-fashioned. My apartment is still incredibly low-tech. I'm still using a traditional heavy metal key to unlock my front door like a cave woman.
Hey, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the classics. Though I have to admit, I did install a smart lock on my front door last month. Now I can unlock it using a fingerprint scanner, or I can text a temporary digital code to my brother when he comes over to feed my cat while I'm away on vacation.
See, now that actually sounds incredibly practical. I am always paranoid that I am going to drop my keys in the grass when I go out for a morning run. Was it difficult to set up?
Not at all. Most of these modern gadgets are completely plug and play nowadays. You just connect them to your home Wi-Fi through an app on your phone and you're good to go. The only real headache is when the internet goes down.
Oh, right. What happens then? If the connection fails, are you just trapped inside a dark apartment, totally locked out of your own life?
No, thankfully. Everything has a manual backup built right into it. The physical wall switches still work perfectly fine, and the smart lock still has a hidden slot for a regular physical key. The smart features just stop working temporarily until the Wi-Fi kicks back in.
Good to know you won't get locked out by your own house. Well, if you ever decide to upgrade your kitchen, let me know. Call me when you get a smart fridge that automatically orders a carton of milk from the grocery store the moment you run out.
Deal. But until then, can I offer you a hot cup of coffee? I can actually start the espresso machine straight from my phone right now while we sit here.
All right, fine. You win. That is officially very cool.
And scene. Fantastic. Notice how using those phrases keeps the conversation moving naturally instead of sounding stiff or robotic.
Exactly. Now, before we finish today's lesson, it's time for our favorite part of the show, the Quick Practice Review Challenge.
Wherever you are listening to this audio right now, whether you are driving your car, walking in a park, or doing the dishes at home, we want you to repeat these key phrases out loud right after us. Let's train your English pronunciation and muscle memory.
Are you ready? Let's go. Repeat after me. The Wi-Fi keeps dropping.
The Wi-Fi keeps dropping.
My phone won't pair with the speaker.
My phone won't pair with the speaker.
It's a total game changer.
It's a total game changer.
Most devices are plug and play. Most devices are plug and play.
I just need to reboot the system.
I just need to reboot the system. Outstanding job, everyone. Practicing out loud, even when you are alone, is the absolute best way to build automatic speaking confidence.
We did it! Another great lesson completed. You just learned the real, authentic phrases to talk about technology at home like a native speaker.
Remember, you do not need perfect, complex English. You just need real, practical, useful English. Try to use at least one of these phrases this week when you look at your own phone or television.
If this episode helped you today, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Tell us, are you high-tech or do you prefer a traditional, low-tech home?
We truly love reading every single one of your comments. Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing.
Bye, everyone.